Hi, welcome to Spanish 101, and today we're going to continue talking about direct object, focusing on direct object pronouns and how they work in English. So what's a direct object pronoun? We already discussed the direct object pronoun allows you or gives you the freedom to avoid using the noun and replacing it for the pronoun. But watch out that you have to be careful which one you're using if you want to use them correctly. So, for example, Bill hits the ball. In another way that we can say this, it's going to be Bill hits it, right? So instead of writing the ball, we're replacing it with the pronoun it. The next example we have is Peter gives flowers. So if we wanted to replace the direct object, which is flowers, we're going to use the plural form them. Peter gives them. So notice how someone needs to be already familiar with the direct object, because if I just say Peter gives them, it kind of gives the idea of you're not sure what you're talking about unless you're familiar or you already know the conversation. So this is an interesting fact of direct object pronouns. But them is going to be another direct object pronoun in English. The next one, Anna picks Maria up from the airport. So notice how here our direct object pronoun is going to be Maria. So we will replace it with her. So her, it's a direct object pronoun for feminine nouns. So Anna picks her up from the airport. Notice how in English we have to be careful if it's a feminine noun or a masculine noun, and the same thing happens in Spanish. The quantity matters as well as the gender. So notice how in English you also have to be aware of these things. Growing up learning English, I also had to memorize feminine direct object pronouns as well as masculine direct object pronouns, plural direct object pronouns, singular direct object pronouns. So I just want you to see that there are similarities, and if you understand the basics of how it works in your language, you'll be able to do it in a second language as well. Thank you for watching.